first of all, like, why do I even need a session about this? Why do I need a choral program philosophy? Well, I've got 4 things that I think help you here. First of all, it gives you a focus. It's going to prevent you from becoming directionless or easily seduced by ideas that lack integrity. There's plenty of those floating around. Secondly, it actually makes your life easier, because when you know why you do what you do, it then guides you and serves you with all of the decisions you have to make as a choral leader. I think it also allows you to engender trust within your organization, whether it's community-based or school-based, because you're going to inspire others to act through a leadership that puts that trust front and center. With trust comes a real sense of value. You're going to need something that people value more than, oh, we just like to sing nice music, or we just want to be the best we can be. All of the choirs that had that as their philosophy, whether they named it as such or not, during the pandemic are struggling even now as the rest of us are building back better. And then the 4th element is for the actual leadership. If you are an effective leader, it means that people are going to willingly follow you. There's an intrinsic motivation there, because they're motivated by purpose, autonomy, and a drive towards the mastery. So it's part of you being an accomplished leader and helping in your capacity to create an environment in which people can develop their skills, their knowledge, and their character. And then last of all, it gives you a means by which you can measure your success. And I actually share mine, and I give examples from it. So I keep it very practical, and I make sure it's full of humor. So people who come to that one will come away with a smile, I promise. What I think is important is that you understand your why, because the how and the what gets really easy once you've got that sorted out. And that's going to help, if you're in a situation where you've got to get grants and you've got to secure funding, or you've got to answer to a board of trustees, if you've got to answer to a supervisor or a principal or a head of department. So yeah, you just got to have something more than we like to sing. I mean, that's fine if it's pub choir, right? And you just get together once a week over a shardy and everybody's doing what they're doing. That's fine. That's a philosophy too. And there's nothing wrong with it. But the dollars that support the arts are getting harder and harder to come by. And the older I get, the more I realize that the capacity to advocate and teaching my students how to be advocates for all of this, in the end, it all comes back to your philosophy.